ABS waste. ABS waste shredder machine. This machine can be used for powder processing of lump, plastic, board, PE, HDPE, PP, PS, ABS, EVA, PET, nylon and other materials. Plastic containers and barrels, plastic film, plastic pipe, fiber and paper that the normal crusher can't handle. The materials are pushed into the shredding chamber by hydraulic. Independent drive system and solid structure make the running stably. The motor drives the shaft to make knife rotates. At high speed, the material is put between the knife shaft and fixed knife. The materials are shredder. The qualified size will discharge from the screen mesh. The oversized material will be sent back for reshredding.